In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create with responsive behaviors in Wix Studio. This is a great skill to master if you want to build versatile and dynamic websites that look great on any device. Let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, you'll want to start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Wix Studio platform, a powerful tool designed especially for agencies and enterprises looking to create stunning web pages. If you haven't already bookmarked it, you can easily find it online by searching for Wix Studio. Once you're on the Wix Studio homepage, the next step is to log into your account. You should see a login button, usually positioned at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. If you don't already have an account, you might want to take a moment to sign up, since you'll need to log in to access the suite of features Wix Studio offers. After clicking login, you'll be prompted to continue with a verified login method. For simplicity and convenience, I suggest clicking on Continue with Google. This option links directly with your Google account, making the sign-in process quick and easy without needing to remember any extra passwords. Just ensure you're already logged into the correct Google account before proceeding. With your credentials verified, you now have access to your Wix Studio dashboard. Here, you should select a section of your website that you'd like to work on. This could be anything from the header to a content block, depending on where you want to apply responsive features. Simply click on the area and it will highlight, indicating it's ready for editing. Now look for the option called Responsive Behavior in the panel. This is crucial because it dictates how your selected section will adapt to different screen sizes, ensuring that your site maintains its aesthetic and functionality on desktops, tablets and smartphones alike. Once you've accessed the responsive behavior settings, you'll find an option to scale proportionally. Clicking this adjusts your chosen element to maintain its size ratio, no matter the screen width, ensuring that images and text do not appear distorted or stretched. Next up is the fixed height option. By enabling this, the height of your section remains constant, providing a consistent and predictable layout. It can be particularly useful if you want to maintain a certain design aesthetic, or ensure text remains easy to read across different devices. Finally, consider the Fit to Screen feature. Activating this ensures that your selected section fills the viewer's screen, making for an immersive experience that reduces scrolling. This is an excellent choice for landing pages or sections where you want to grab and hold a visitor's attention right off the bat. And there you have it. With these steps, you now have the foundational knowledge to implement responsive behaviors in Wix Studio effectively. Thank you for joining me today, and happy designing.